Skateboarders have a reputation, whether deserved or not. They also have traditions. And one that has been in recession for longer than the economy is the slalom race.
This is the 9th year in a row, which makes us the longest running annual skateboard event in the world.
Skateboard racing event.
Yeah, started in 2001 after the 9/11 tragedy, where some of our friends decided to hold a skateboard race to try and raise some money for the Red Cross. All right, good morning. Welcome to the 9th Farm. So we're starting today with the GS. Your time in the giant slalom will put you in the qualifying order for the duel.
Rick Floyd is a ranked pro racer.
I'm 47. I used to do it late 70s, early 80s, and then got out of it like a lot of us did, and then slalom kind of came back in the late 90s. Some of my snowboard racing friends said, "Rick, you got to start skating." I said, "There's no way. I'll never skate on a skateboard again." And I got a board in the mail and directions to a race 3 years ago and haven't stopped.
Mig Marco was part of the French-Canadian contingent who drove down from Quebec City for all the action.
Well, I started back in 2004, but I used to race in the 70s.
So why'd you get out of it for all those years?
Mainly because there wasn't practically any races anymore.
Ricard put up the fastest time in the single slalom. It was just the start of the French-Canadian slalom supremacy.
Is this a pro race? You make money doing it, or just
No, just for fun.
Just for fun.
Yeah.
So what is it about racing that you love so much?
The fun, the guys, the people, the friends, the weather, the cameraman, everything.
Get as many runs in as we can. Reset while we're resetting. Have the kids race. And then we'll do the duel. We're going to run 2 brackets. I think we have almost the right amount of people for 2 brackets of 16. Whatever we can do to keep things going, have more fun, get to the party as soon as possible. All right?
The dual slalom ran in brackets, 2 runs per heat. Racers lost 1/10 of a second for each cone they moved off its mark. Best combined time moved on to the next bracket. The first B bracket semi-final pitted 2 French Canadians going head-to-head down to the wire. Julie Boulanger and Leo Ojeda ran 2 heats that were too close to call at the finish line.
Who finished first?
It's all gone down to the cone count.
2 and 2.
It was Ojeda who advanced to the finals based on fewer cones moved. Daniels was the only American to take home top honors with a narrow cone count victory in the B bracket.
The French-Canadians sort of came in
They
here.
do. Well, I think they poured maple syrup in my wheels, and that's what slowed me down.
Joe McLaren advanced to the finals with slalom champ Louis Ricard in a Pro A bracket. Ricard was clean through the cones and well ahead of McLaren in the first heat. The winners, they get a skateboard-style chauffeur limo ride back to the top. The results in Heat 2 were the same. Ricard was the champion, but everyone who raced was a winner. The last word goes to the victorious. This time, it's in French.
Trop de bonnes personnes, c'est le paradis. Voilà.